Hi, this is Nick. In this video, I will show you in one single bar chart how to compare multiple time intelligence periods such as week to date, year to date, last 7 days with conditionally formatted bar colors. Here's the raw data, and first create the base measure for your KPI. In this video, we're using total volume original. Step 3.1, create the date table and then connect it to your raw data table. Step 4, we're creating a measure for year to date. Just replace the total volume original with your own base measure. And then we need to create individual new measures for last 7 days, last year, week to date, month to date. Check out the comment section for this video as I created a shared document that has all the text functions. Here's the screenshot of the document. Find out the measure you want to create, copy the text function, and the only thing that needs to be changed is the original KPI measure. Step 6 is to create a new table for KPI. The names you put in the highlighted section will be displayed in the final bar chart, and sequence numbers represent the bar sequence from left to right. And then follow step 6.1 to 3 to set up the sequence. Step 7 is to create a new measure for the bar values. It is grabbing data from the new table in step 6, and the names in the highlighted section need to exactly match what we put in the new table created in step 6. And finally, put in the corresponding measures we created before for each time period. And for step 8 to step 11, please follow the steps to create a bar chart, set up conditional formatting, and target line.